Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the eX-Driver Caterham Super 7. And although it doesn't look a whole lot different from last week,
Good news, everyone!
I finally got past last week's sticking point. So, taking a look at where things are now. The hood is basically done at this point. See, louvers look pretty good on it. Finish is right around where I want it. But the big news is finally got the back end of this all cleaned up. And not too bad. You can see a little bit of scarring if light hits it just right, but overall, I'm pretty happy with that. So now that that's all done, I've started painting some of the other components. Got the firewall painted a dark aluminum color. Starting to do some touch up to the black of the interior. I've just got to get the side panels cleaned up now. And underneath, I've got the rear axle area painted, so that's ready for the rear carrier, the rear axle, and the suspension components. I am going to do something for the belly pan. I haven't decided if I want to go bare metal silver or painted black, but either way, that'll be done. I've got the wheels basically ready to go. I think those look pretty good. Actually, they look better than I expected they would. Just quick mock-up here. And that fits the fender pretty well. I do have to do a little bit more cleanup on the wheels, but just wanted to kind of see how they looked. For the front wheels, again, look pretty decent. The front fenders came out kind of surprisingly well. That black went on really nice. And this is without polishing or anything else. That's just the TS14 straight out of the can. Now, that one doesn't want to come off. Alright, we'll do a mock-up with this one. And stick the wheel in, and yeah, I think that works out pretty well. It's not perfect. I wouldn't mind if the tire was a hair bigger, but honestly, I think that works out pretty well. So, let me know what you think, but I think these are the ones that I'm going to be going with. And so now, the body paint is basically done. The wheels are done except for a little bit of cleanup. Got the rear end pretty much ready to install. Got the engine and transmission pretty much ready to install. And so really just need to do a little bit more painting on the body. They got the interior side panels, a little bit more under the hood. Then time to install the engine, get that wrapped up, install the front and rear suspensions, get the wheels on, get the interior wrapped up with the seats and the dashboard. So I do still have a lot to do, but it's all kind of periphery stuff. The core of the car is now here and done. So I'm going to spend the next few days working to get as much of it wrapped up as I can, because now we're into October and I really should be working on a Halloween build. But I'm going to have another update on this next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.